Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hopefully, friends, you will be fine. I am introduced new and great project ideas. I hope, friends, you will enjoy these ideas which I shared with you in this video. In this video, I introduced new and great project thinking ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. And these are very beautiful and unique thinking ideas. I hope you gain different type of crochet ideas because it's are very beautiful and dimensionally different to each other. Kindly, friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I enhance talks to your personality, and friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that. I hope, friends, you will begin different type of thinking ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. Very beautiful. And friends, these are very beautiful ideas. I hope, friends, you will enjoy these ideas which I shared with you in this video. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I introduce in this video, and hopefully, friends, you will enjoy my ideas that are very beautiful to each other. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Very beautiful and unique fundamental designs in this video I shared with you. And friends, you will begin different type of thinking ideas that are completely different to each other. And friends, hopefully you will begin different type of thinking ideas which are most beautiful to each other. It's our beautiful and unique ideas, standardized ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. Hopefully, friends, you will enjoy my ideas because it's are very beautiful and dimensionally different to each other. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I introduce in this video. Hopefully, friends, you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. Kindly, friends, gain different type of thinking ideas to watching this video. So, friend, enjoy my ideas and upload this video. I hope you like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. It's a very authentic and a different. You can create these ideas through the help of crochets, and you gain different type of thinking ideas with the help of flower laces, and you gain light ideas.